from a brand new high-tech cube to an 11-year-old smashing world records, 2025 was fit into a legendary year for speedcubing. Good day! Today's top stories come straight from the cubing world. First, cube maker GAN has released its newest flagship puzzle, the GAN 16 Maglev Max. This cube is built for ultimate speed and precision, with a 124 magnet system that keeps it perfectly aligned and super smooth. It even has 216 tuning options and a magnetic navigation system that replaces springs, making things faster, quieter, and more stable. Many states the most advanced cube ever made. Meanwhile, in Taizhou, China, on July 26, 2025, 11-year-old Yang Man made history. He set the first ever official sub-4-second average in the 3x3 Rubik's Cube event, finishing with an incredible 3.90 average over 5 solves. That's the fastest average in cubing history. With the launch of the GAN 16 Yang Man's record-breaking achievement, 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years ever for speedcubing. That wraps up today's news. I'm Kairos Gallifrey of MCHPCI. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep on solving.